Kumshi bynta jong ka jingrakhe ka jingdap sanpo snem ka jylla Meghalaya ka sorkar ka la rakhe ru ya ka International Youth Day ar ya Kaba La Pynlong ha ka Soso Tham Auditorium ha ka khat tarik unailar Symbud Myntri rangbah ka jylla Meghalaya Bah Prestone Tynsong ulalong ku kongsan ha ka jingiadonlang Myntri ka tnat Sports but Youth Affairs Bah Banteidor Lyngdoh ubalalong ru kum symbud kongsan. Kiwei jingladonlang kynthup ya ka Director jong ka Sports but Youth Affairs ka Wanri A M Booth President ka Meghalaya State Olympics Association Bah John F Kharshiing ka Administrative Officer jong ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society ka Marsarauk Tariang General Secretary jong ka Meghalaya State Olympics Association Bah Finely Pariat ryngkat bat khynnah skul khynnah samla bat Kiwei de ya ka jingkren play la yo na Commissioner bat Secretary ka tnat Sports but Youth Affairs Vijay Kumar D la samru iki sernot bat ka song pisa sheki samla bat Kiwei kibala pendep ya ka training ya ka Bah La Pynlong da ka sorkar jylla rangbah ki prime bat focus program bat rangbah ka tnat sports ka jylla habakran ha ka tegasngi Symbud Myntri rangbah ka jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong uliat ho ba ka sorkar ka lasdang ikum kita ki program ay jinghikai ne training ki samla ka jylla ban pinchlore ki ban yeng halaki jong ki kijat bat klem da shanya tang hakikam lingbah ki tnat sorkar haka jo kapor ulayat ho ru bala ay jingerap pisa ka bahadu shilak tingta shaki khynnah samla ka jylla ki bala sengi laki jong ki kam ki jam bat kini la benrap Bah Prestone ki long ki bala job haka jing persang ki jong ki pan yeng halaki jong ki kijat.
From Tennessee we have Sanjeev Ishan Rower and Enric Suchan. They are receiving the food processing materials, which is very helpful for them. We thank the government for this. A check of 80,000.
I will now call upon the representative from Banteidor Lyngdoh, multi-purpose operative Maukasan will be receiving a check of rupees 20,000.
Moving on, we have the Meghalaya Sports and Culture Club from Kiwei of Golfing. We invite you on stage to receive a check of rupees 40,000.
Says MDA government is useless. Somebody says this government is worse. But let me tell you, we are not. Go back to the history prior to 2018. Where are all these initiatives? Nothing was there. Now we have focus. We have focus too. We want to reach out to each and every household in the form of SSG. It's so important. And so much investment again is created for this. So my dear young friends, when you go back home, please understand, government has already opened up these initiatives. Just take this opportunity on your own, and one day you will be somebody. That is what I would like to share with all of you. And don't lose hope. We have so much talent. The potentiality that we have in Meghalaya as far as youth sector is concerned, maximum talents we have. And you saw today when they sang that song. It's a unique Meghalaya, oneness. I've seen it, the singers, oneness. Irrespective of caste, creed, or religion. In the name of music, we are one. And also in the name of music, let us be one in Meghalaya. So let us not be misled by the emotion. Government is always there for you. We are backing you up for your bright future. I think we have stayed so long inside the hall. Some of them, I think, you feeling sleepy. Some of you, you're carrying that big check. So you wanted to go home, to reach home early maybe?
It is my honor and privilege to stand here for this very, very important program. Happy International Youth Day. When I'm sitting down there, before I came and stand here, that song, it touched me. We are the future. As many speakers, Commissioner Secretary, he already stated, the population of our state, 74% is our youth. So that we should grab this opportunity for what the government has been doing for the last 4.5 years. Thanks to all of you. I won't take much time because the time is running. We have another program. But before I proceed my speech, I just would like to share with you about the youth of our state. Number one is, I think all of us we know, and we are aware also, there is 2 youth centers in our state. One in Shillong and one in Tura, which both the youth center for the youth. Actually, this youth center, it was supposed for the youth to have some program, have some meeting, and they can plan something what they want to move forward. But the thing is, now this 2 center, it's become a kind of a place to stay for the people coming from outside and from the state. And I remember when I was in Gujarat last time for the sports conference meeting, which been called by the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs. And I raised this. In our state, we need, in all the district of our state, we need 1 youth center, because we have seen the talent of our youth. We have seen the struggle of our youth in our state. So that we need some more youth center in our state. So I don't know whether it will be coming up or not, but the thing is, my duty is to raise us to ask some more center in our state.